Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic cottage decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic cottage decor is a cozy and nostalgic interior design style that combines antique or weathered elements with a warm countryside aesthetic. It emphasizes natural materials, soft colors, and charming lived-in details to create a welcoming and timeless atmosphere. Key features of vintage rustic cottage decor, like natural materials, wood, stone, wicker, and linen, are commonly used to create an organic earthy feel. A soft neutral color palette, whites, cream, pastels, and muted earth tones dominate the color scheme. Used to stress and weathered finishes, furniture and decor often have their own edged look, adding character and history to their space. Use vintage and antique pieces, old farmhouse style furniture, antique mirrors, and repurposed decor give authenticity. Use cozy textiles, layered fabrics like floral or gingham patterns, lace, crocheted tireless, and knit throws add warmth. Rustic accessories, messengers, galvanized metal, wooden crafts, enamel wire, and old sign enhance the rustic charm. Floral and nature-inspired elements, fresh outright flowers, botanical prints, and garden-themed decor create a cottage-like feel. Handmade anti-touches, handmade coils, repurposed furniture, and upcycled decor add personal charm. Soft ambient lighting, candles, vintage lamps, and warm, dimmable lighting create an inviting glow. Its functionality and homey, open shelving, farmhouse sink, and cozy nooks make the space feel lived-in and practical. This style is perfect for those who love a mix of old-world charm, countryside comfort, and a relaxed, homey vibe. Vintage rustic cottage decor blends the warmth of rustic elements, the nostalgia of vintage beaches, and the coziness of a country cottage. It's all about creating a homey, inviting atmosphere filled with charm, character, and a sense of history. Core elements of vintage rustic cottage decor: materials and textures. Unfinished, reclaimed, or whitewashed oats add rustic charm. Stone and brick. Exposed brick walls or stone fireplaces enhance the cottage aesthetic. Linen and cotton, soft, breathable fabrics, and natural or floral prints contribute to the cozy feel. Wicker and rattan, used in furniture, baskets, and decorative elements for a farmhouse touch. Distress and chippy paint gives furniture an aged or loved appearance. Furniture style: Vintage and antique pieces. Incorporating second-hand or antique furniture adds authenticity. Farmhouse tables and chairs. Study wooden tables with mismatched chairs create a charming rustic look. Open shelving and cabinets. Displays of vintage dishes, mason jars, and collectibles enhance the cottage vibe. Iron bands and canopy frames. Classic for bedrooms, often paired with soft linens and lace. Decorative accents. Floral prints and botanical motifs. Seen in wallpaper, upholstery, and artwork. Mason jars and glass bottles. Used as vases, candle holders, or storage. Galvanized metal and enamel buckets, trays, and pictures for a rustic touch. Handmade coils and crocheted throws, soft, cozy additions that make a space feel inviting. Lighting, soft, warm lighting, avoid thirst or modern lighting, opt for warm ambient tones. Vintage candelabras and pendant lights, often with old iron or distressed finishes. Lanterns and candle holders, perfect for enhancing the cozy atmosphere. Greenery and floral touches, fresh and dried flowers. Wildflowers, lavender, hydrangeas, and eucalyptus are ideal. Potted flowers and herbs adds a natural element and can be both decorative and functional. How to incorporate vintage rustic cottage decor into your home. Living room. Use slip-covered sofas or that with coffee tables, vintage books, and cozy throw blankets. Add floral or gingham patterned cushions for charm. Kitchen. Open shelving with vintage dishes, a farmhouse sink, distressed cabinets, and a wooden island. Create a warm, welcoming space. Bedroom. An iron bed frame, layered linens, floral bedding, and antique nightstands make the room feel like a cozy retreat. Bedrooms. Clawfoot tops, repurposed vanities, antique mirrors, and white baseboard walls enhance the cottage aesthetic. Entryway. A rustic wooden bench, wicker baskets, antique coat hooks, and a vintage mirror make a more charming first impression. Why choose vintage rustic cottage decor? Timeless and classic, it never goes out of style. Cozy and inviting, makes any space feel warm and welcoming. Sustainable and budget friendly, vintage and repurposed furniture are eco friendly and often more affordable. Full of personality, unique crafted pieces tell a story and add charm. Vintage rustic cottage decor combines old world charm, ornate texture, and cozy elements to create a warm, inviting, and nostalgic atmosphere. This style reflects a mix of antique and repurposed furnishings, natural materials, and soft muted colors to evoke a lived-in and charming cottage feel. The essence of vintage rustic cottage decor. The decor style is deeply inspired by countryside cottages, particularly from French, English, and American farmhouse aesthetics. The goal is to make a space feel welcoming, serene, and filled with history, while still being functional and comfortable. Key themes: aged and timeless appeal. Pieces that show signs of use or have a distressed finish. Natural beauty. Use of old stone linen and organic fabrics. Mixing old and new, pairing antiques with modern comforts. Handmade and upcycled touches, tie and repurposed elements add charm. Cozy and inviting atmosphere, layered textures and warm lighting. Furniture and layout. Vintage rustic cottage furniture is often functional, comfortable, and charmingly imperfect. Living room. Use slip-covered sofas and armchairs. Comfortable neutral colored setting. Displays with coffee tables, aged wooden surfaces, or the rustic patina. Antique or repurposed cabinets used for displaying decorative accents. Open shelving, showcasing books, glassware, and collectibles. Kitchen and dining area, farmhouse tables, mismatched chairs, a rustic wooden table with vintage chairs add character. Apron front farmhouse deck, classic and practical, open shelving and plate racks displaying vintage dishware and messengers. Old iron or industrial style lighting, candeliers or pendant lights. Bedroom, iron or wooden bed frames, classic vintage inspired designs. Layered bedding with coils and throws, cozy and inviting. Vintage night stands or dressers, ordered oud painted in soft pastels or neutrals. Lace curtains and shade traps, light and airy window treatments. Bedrooms, clawfoot bathtubs, a quintessential vintage cottage feature, pedestal sinks, and repurposed vanities, adding rustic charm. Open shelves and wicker storage baskets, keeping essentials accessible. Antique mirrors and vintage style fixtures, enhancing the old world feel. Decorative accents and accessories. The details in vintage rustic cottage decor help bring warmth and personality to the space. Like floral prints and botanical motifs in artwork, wallpaper, and textiles. Antique clocks, mirrors, and frames. Adds vintage appeal. Messengers and glass bottles used as vases, storage, or candle holders. Galvanized metal accents, buckets, trays, and lanterns. Galvanized metal accents, buckets, trays, and lanterns, oven baskets, and other crafts. Functional storage with a rustic touch. Handmade coils and knitted throws, cozy and nostalgic. Giant flowers or potted herbs bringing nature indoors. Why to find vintage rustic cottage decor, flower markets and antique shops, great for unique vintage furniture and accessories, cheap storage or estate sales, affordable finds with rustic charm, handmade or dye projects, upcycling furniture, crafting textiles, or distressing old. Online marketplaces, stay eBay or local classified, often have a great vintage pages. Why choose vintage rustic cottage decor? Timeless appeal, classic, elegant, and never goes out of style. Cozy and inviting, creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Sustainable and eco-friendly, repurposing and using natural materials reduces waste. Full of personality, every piece tells a story and a charm. Bringing the outdoors in, nature plays a big role in cottage-style decor, enhancing the home's relaxed and organic feel. Vintage rustic cottage decor is all about creating a home that feels charming, cozy, and filled with character. Whether you are decorating a small apartment, a country farmhouse, or just a single room, incorporating natural texture, vintage finds, and soft muted colors will help achieve this timeless aesthetic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.